Okay, so now I'm going to turn on my camera so you can see my 5 different ways to deal with the theft of my videos on YouTube. This is the halo hat, com complemented by the halo bib that is also a mask. So when I drop it down, it becomes a bib. When I eat, all the food falls on the bib instead of on my shirt. Plus, I have 3 sweatbands, my headband, and 2 wristbands. So when I record myself and people are stealing my content, I don't have to worry about it because there are too many identifying information here about me. Okay, now to the topic of today. I'm going to go to my notepad, scroll up, and start a new section to and demark it with a, let's say, right slash, a few blanks, the video file name that includes the date and the time, and left slash at the end. And that will demark the issues that I'm dealing with. In addition to that, I want to record. So far I made 2 recordings inside the computer. One of them with the MSN Recorder Max, the second one, the camera, which is the webcam, and the third one is Pixar Problem Step Recorder. So now I'm going to click on Pixar Problem Step Recorder, new recording, and move it down the dialog box, step recorder recording now to the bottom. So now I have all my 3 recordings backing each other up, and this is using the screen recorder, the webcam, and Pixar Problem Step Recorder, using the algorithm of father, grandfather, father, son of backup and recovery. At this point, I'm ready to go to the Gmail to look at the messages from Google. And here is a message that says that your voice number will expire in 30 days for the blog's AI vid account. So I'm going to delete it because I already dealt with it, and then I'm going to open another one, and this is with more biz. So I color it, I mark it, Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer, and then paste it at the top of my account here, Control V. Now I'm going to log into this account and try to make an outbound call to comply with the Google requirement. So I go to another account and I try to switch from the current account to the new account. So I scroll down to the very bottom, click add another account, I go to the very bottom again, and then paste the new account. At this point, Control V, with more biz, and click next, and then enter the password and click next, and pray that Google is, and I want to save the password, then skip and not now to get down to the most important thing is to make an outbound call. But before I forget that, I make the outbound call and then make sure that Google didn't switch the account on me.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 3372508.
I don't want really to leave a message. I hung it up. Missed call. And I also want to delete these three messages here. So shift, shift. I want to keep this one, but I want to delete this one. Delete this one and delete this one and this one. Delete these. I want to make it out one cool here.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Help me by figuring out what this number spells.
Sure. Go ahead and read the number to me, and I'll help you figure out what it spells.
The number is area code 225 522 2324. Yeah, let's focus in on trying to spell it. That's right. Not yet, I'm thinking. Can you figure it out? What word does it spell? Except that it's called back, but it's also call babe AI, AI dot AI. Yes, but I want to find words that spells a domain name plus a domain name extension. Yes, uh, I'm thinking about the I'm thinking about the domain name call babe and the domain name extension AI. What do you think? Is that correct? Yes, except that it is not called back, it is called babe. BABE. Yes, what can it be used for? Such a domain name and a domain name extension. I know that I want it to be used for AI because this is my interest. is I'm a professor and I'm teaching courses about it. So I want to use it for my class as an example. Yes, help me think about what will be the main business I'm teaching in the business school. So I would like to give it some kind of business application, such as make it financially sustainable. What will make it financially sustainable when I make a website and a domain name and a blog all around it? What topic will make it financially sustainable so I can fund it with the revenues and the proceeds that it will create? Yes, it sounds good. But I'm wondering what will a theme that relates to the name of the domain. Let me give you an example. For example, this account that I'm dealing with now is called Wiz More Biz. And the theme of this account is to create a wizard, like the word biz, a whiz. Wiz stands for wizard, like an AI wizard that will help boost businesses activity. More biz means more business. Are you still there? Yeah, but what will be called babe? What connotation does it give you? Imagine to yourself that I'm telling you the lecture is called or the book is called Babe. What would you think is the book about?
Human AI interaction in business settings. It's a title that would definitely spark conversation and interest. What do you think?
Yes, it sounds like a good idea. Keep in mind that these are college students. I had the idea, since they are college students, to make something that deals with dating or something like that, because this is the main thing that preoccupies the students is to date and to find new dates. Yeah, I think it's a great idea, but I'm afraid that it will give it a bit of a sleazy type of shade, like a shady. Uh, right. I wanted to develop also an AI matching algorithm. In other words, an algorithm that will help match maybe boys to girls or product desires of a customer versus the product availability. Yeah, I have already published several papers about it using correlation, statistical correlation such as Pearson correlation, to correlate between the features of a product and the desire of customers and create and rank order them according in declining order of the correlation coefficient. Yeah, so that is the question that whether this statistical correlation is a good idea and whether I can get AI to actually help me with that. Yes. How would you integrate AI into the system? Yeah, that sounds like a great idea, I think. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to minimize the programming that I have to do. And so I ran across a program that is called Base 44 or 45. Are you familiar with that? Yes.
Great. If you're looking to minimize programming, you might explore platforms like 1. Teachable Machine by Google. Allows you to train interface. 2. Has an easy-to-use visual interface to test and train machine. 3. Provides tools for building and training models with options to code or use modeling. These platforms can help you create
What about, yes, tell me, what about base44.com? It says, let's make your dream. It says, let's make your dream a reality right now. Base 44 lets you build fully functional apps in minutes with just your words. No coding necessary. Have you heard about that? So I'm so confused. I don't know which account I'm in. Oh, where's my base? This is it. Okay, so now going to Wismo base 2 of 2. So 2 of 2. 2 uploads complete. 2 uploads complete. Uploads complete. Okay. Save on the file name is Wismo base. That's it. Edit. Copy. Now stop and review. Stop and review. Okay.
Can I go tomorrow, or do you want me to go tonight?
Um,
It's 8 o'clock, so I can just go to Trader Joe.
so Trader
Yeah,
Joe,
that's
it's enough. And you have underground. You have a garage, so you don't have to worry about it. There's some kind of a purchase report from some Chinese Shinsato Chika, a PDF.
spam.
Are you sure? One attachment scanned by email from McAfee. Delete them. Verify your Google Voice forwarding number.
That also would be difficult.
Give me some number.
Be careful.
Would like to make sure that the information on your Google Voice account with more biz is accurate and you will still own the forwarding phone number. If you want Google Voice to continue forwarding calls, if you don't re-verify phone number, Google Voice account will still stay active. You won't get calls forwarded to this specific phone number, but you can use it again at any time to re-verify it. You have other forwarding phone numbers turned on. Call will still forward to them. Account. So I need to manage the account. Used to be something manage your Google account. Manage my Google account. Security. data and privacy, personal security, sign in, how to sign in, passkey, Google Palm, phone recovery is good, recovery email is good. So I don't need to deal with that, that is good. Authentication. One session on Android, Galaxy, okay. All devices, enhanced safe browsing. Wow, that's managing.
You want to walk me out?
Yes, tell me when you're ready to leave because I'm in the middle of Pissar, so I'm doing no, I just will have to stop the recordings, you understand? Session that is not you selected the file and accept the window media player. That player may still be able to play it because the unknown the player should be sure. Want the player to try playing this content. Yes. Yes, can you let me stop the recording?
Sandals or covered shoes?
Okay, let me stop all the current recordings, okay? So I want to stop the camera and then test it and double click it to play back. Play. Of my videos on YouTube. So that is perfectly good.